WordPress website maintenance is the practice of monitoring, observing, updating, testing, and repairing the various components of your website on a regular basis. There are two main reasons for keeping your site updated: security and performance. If your site is out of date, it's vulnerable. An out-of-date website can be the target of bots, hackers, and malware. An insecure website risks your users' data, your own data, and can result in your site being taken down entirely. And maintaining a site involves not only preventing things that slow down your site, but performing tasks that can speed it up. We've got a list of different tasks you should be performing if you want your site to operate at its best. Most are best practices, and finally, we've included some as-needed tasks. We'll start with the essentials. Update WordPress core. These are updates that all other software will build itself around. You should update as soon as a new version is available. You'll know your core software needs updating from the Updates page. Select the Available Update button, and the update will run in the background. Update plugins. Updating your plugins prevents them from clashing with each other or your WordPress version, and they include incredibly important security patches. You can go to the plugins page from the dashboard to find and select the plugins that are highlighted in yellow. Choose Update, and you're all done. Update themes. You can see that a theme needs to be updated by going to the Updates or Themes page from your dashboard. If you see that one theme comes up or is highlighted, follow the prompt and update it. Best practice WordPress website maintenance tasks include the following. Take backups. If your site does break, crash, or fall victim to a hack, having backups can save the day. Use a plugin or a third-party tool to take, store, and restore website backups. Check uptime and performance. Use your website's hosting tools or external ones to evaluate your site's performance. Most tools will tell you things like how often your site goes down, if at all, how much bandwidth it uses, how fast it loads, etc. Monitor for security. Use plugins or third-party tools to keep a close eye on your site. These tools can evaluate your code to find and hopefully prevent malware, bots, hacks, and other attacks. Check site page previews. When you share your web pages on social media or other sites, a preview will appear. Spend some time using testing tools to examine what your shared page looks like. Then remediate. Remove what you don't need. On a regular basis, go through your dashboard and delete plugins that you don't use, themes that you don't use, pages and posts that are just sitting in trash or drafts, and images that might be unused or duplicates. All these things sitting on your server just add more files. Your site should only ever include the files you need and nothing that you don't. Check for mixed content. The SSL certificate adds a layer of security onto every file. Sometimes a file or two get missed. An image URL, for example, might end up without SSL encryption. Usually, this means that the image won't be shown, or it could mean that your site gets flagged for not being secure. Use a plugin to search for mixed content. Ones that find them can resolve them by reapplying the SSL certificate. Optimize the database. Clean it up regularly by deleting any unnecessary data. This could include post revisions, spam comments, or unused plugin files. When the database is optimized, performance is boosted, and query speed and fragmentation are reduced. Plugins and hosting tools can help you do this. Find and repair broken links. When you link out to pages on the web in your posts or pages, you run the risk of eventually ending up with broken links. Use a tool or plugin to find broken links and repair them. Either remove the link altogether or find a new link to replace it. Check your site for mobile views. Once a month, open up your phone and navigate your site. Ask a friend who has a different iOS to do the same. Find anything that is broken or difficult to use and repair it for the smaller screen view. Report on website analytics and SEO metrics. Use free or paid third-party tools to collect the information that matters to you. This could include how many site visits certain pages get, how many downloads or sales there have been, where your keywords are ranking, etc. That information is gold when you are creating performance and marketing strategies and campaigns. Every website is different, especially when it comes to WordPress. Let's discuss some site-specific maintenance tasks you should perform monthly, if not more frequently. If your site allows or requires people to log in or create user accounts, review the user account profiles. Remove any duplicates or old profile ones. Look for bot or spam profiles. Test the login page and the UI from the user's perspective. If you have contact or submission forms on your site, fill out every form on the site from a logged-out browser. Fill out the form incorrectly to make sure error messages show. Determine that after submission, the user is sent to the right place or shown the right message, and ensure that the form notifications go to the right admin and that any form submission confirmation emails function correctly. If your site has any kind of e-commerce functionality, test the shop function for each type of product, physical, virtual, variable, etc. Test emails, notifications, and confirmation emails. Update the inventory/stock, and test to make sure that the payment systems, error messages, and refund systems work. If your site has any custom-built code attached to it, test it. Find failures and conflicts, and bring in a developer if necessary to clean up or update the code. Need help maintaining your WordPress website? Let us know, and we can help.